In this video, I am going to review a tool that can help you to optimize your website speed, performance and the loading time. So this is the result of my website after using that tool. On the mobile, I got the 86 out of the 100 performance, and on the desktop, it is the 100 out of 100. Plus, it's also improved my website speed, and now you can see it has the A grade 95 out of the 100. It also decreased the page size and the requested. So this tool name is the WP Compress, and after using this tool and experiencing its performance, I can say this is the tool you should use for optimizing your website speed and the compress of the images and the assets of your website. So in the end, it can give your visitors better loading time and the better experience. Plus, it is also offering the CDN with the real-time optimization, and if you don't know, CDN is the really crucial part to make your website load faster in the different continents of the world. And like I said, it is also going to help you in the media compression. It will turn your all the JPG and the PNG images size from the big to the low size without even compressing their quality. And the best part, it is also going to turn those images into the WP format that is the more browser friendly. So this tool is currently available on the AppSumo lifetime deal starting from the just $49, and within the just few days it's got 100 reviews here, 5 out of 5 tacos here. So if you want to check out and know more about this tool or what users have to say, you can just read out its review here, and you can check out best image optimization tool for the WordPress, save space and the bandwidth, nothing but the best. See, these are all the users that recently bought this tool, and after reading out these reviews and checking out about this tool, I just purchased this tool, and after that I have installed it on my website. You can see here I have installed it on my website, and after that it take around the 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on the how much data, images or the plugins you are using on the website. And after that, this is the results I got on my website. So let me also show you the what are the previous results before using this tool here. So these are the previous results. Previously I got the 68, and this is the D grade, and you can also focus there. Previously my page size is the 1 MB and requested is the 74. And if I scroll down below, these are the major things that is making my website load slower. So after installing this tool, this is the result, 95 out of 100 and the A grade. And now from the 1 MB I got the around 400 KB page size and the 15 requests. These are all the things now is solved, and overall my website speed is the improved. And I also checked my website performance on the Google Page Speed Insights. So previously it was the 67 for the mobile word devices and the 91 for the desktop devices. And if I scroll down below, it is showing me all the things. So my major problem was the reduced unused JavaScript, and this is reduced JavaScript execution time. So these are the major problems that is holding back my website. But after this tool, it is removed all those errors and even make my website to friendly to all these JavaScript files. So you can see here on the mobile, this is the 86 out of 100, and you can see here reduced unused JavaScript is now taking just the 0.75 seconds, and previously let me show you what was it was the 0.92 seconds. And let me also show you the maximize main thread reduced JavaScript execution time. Previously it was the 5 seconds, but after using this tool, let me show you, it was now 2.6 seconds. So it is almost the 50% less after using this tool. So let me tell you how you can install this tool. So once you got its lifetime deal, you have to just redeem it. So just go to this product button, and after that you have to activate your deal, and after that you can sign up in your account. So once you sign up, this is the dashboard you will get, and in the first step it will ask you to connect with your website. So let me tell you how you can do that. So simply click on this add website, and after that it will tell you the allocation of the credits you will get from the lifetime deal. So I suggest make it as it is remain, and click on this just continue button, and after that this is the code you will get, and this is basically the key that you should copy it, and after that you have to download the WordPress plugin. So simply just click here on this download plugin here, and after that you have to go to your website dashboard panel, and you have to install that plugin. And after that it will ask you to paste that API key that you copied from the WP Compress dashboard. So once you pasted here, it will show you these three sections or the options. So first option is the safe mode without adding any settings of the optimization, and second one is the recommended mode, and third is the aggressive mode. So depending on the things, I suggest you to test out first recommended mode, and once you got the overall best results, you can just stay with the recommended mode. But somehow if the things you or the problems it's getting in the way is not here, you can see there are the some settings is applied automatically in the recommended way. But my major problem for my website is the JavaScript problem, and this JavaScript problem is not the enabled in defaultly, so I have to go with this aggressive mode, because here you can see move JavaScript to the footer and delay JavaScript. So aggressive mode is the best for my website, so I choose this one. And after that, all I have to just enable this tick here on the real-time optimization plus CDN and click on this save settings. That's all the things you need to do that. And after that, this thing is done, what you can do, you can just check out your website performance on the pingdom or the page speed by insights on the this website. Okay, and if your website is speed and the performance is improved, that is good enough. But it's not, what you can do, you can just go to this optimize media library, and here you have to optimize all of your media assets like the images or the scripts or the all the assets. So it can take the around 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on the how much the plugins data or the images or the assets available. And once this thing is done, you can just check back your page speed or the ping performance, and I can assure that after this thing is done, your website speed and overall the optimization will be done, and you will get the better points or the ranking here. So this is how you can use this tool. So this tool is really amazing, and I can say it is the good alternative to the Nitro Pack or the WP Rocket or the Rapid Loader. So previously I was using the Rapid Loader on my website. You can see Rapid Loader is disconnected. So this is my previous plugin for the cache management or optimizing my website. But after knowing about the WP Compress, I decided to check out this tool and find that this is the really good platform for website, and this is lifetime deal makes it more valuable because this really works good with the WP website. So that's all for today's video. If you want to check out this tool's lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you are a new user to the AppSumo, make sure to create a new account with the new email, and after that you can also get the 10% extra discount on this $49 lifetime deal. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more upcoming SaaS tools reviews, videos and the comparisons. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.